So, you want to make money fast, huh? And you're thinking acorn might be your golden ticket. Well, let's dive in and see if this little acorn can grow into a mighty money tree. First off, what is acorn? Is it a magical money-making machine? A mysterious online entity promising riches? Or is it something more grounded in reality? Let's clear the air. Acorn is actually a micro-investing app. That means you can invest small amounts of money, as little as $5, into stocks and ETFs. It's like planting a tiny seed with the hope of growing a financial forest. But can you really make money fast on Acorn? Let's get real. Building wealth is generally a marathon, not a sprint. While you can see returns on your investments, expecting to become a millionaire overnight is unrealistic. However, there are strategies to optimize your earnings and accelerate your financial growth. Understanding Acorn's features. To make the most of Acorn, you need to grasp its core features. First up, there's Round UPS. This nifty little tool automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. It's like finding extra change in your pocket every day. Then there's Found Money. This feature scans your emails for receipts and rewards you with investments for online shopping. It's like getting paid to shop. Another key feature is the Invest Portfolio. This is where you can manually invest your money into specific stocks or ETFs. It's a bit more hands-on, but it can potentially yield higher returns if you know your stuff. Maximizing your earnings. Now, let's talk about how to turbocharge your Acorn earnings. Start small, dream big. Even though you can invest small amounts, consistency is key. Automate your investments to make it effortless. Every dollar counts. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different stocks and ETFs. It reduces risk and increases your chances of growth. Take advantage of Found Money. Keep an eye on your emails. Found Money can add up quickly, especially if you're an online shopper. Understand fees. Acorn isn't entirely free. There are fees involved. Make sure you know what you're paying and if it aligns with your financial goals. Set realistic expectations. Remember, investing involves risk. Don't expect overnight riches. Treat it as a long-term strategy. Additional tips. Educate yourself, learn about the stock market, investing strategies, and financial literacy. Knowledge is power. Be patient, good things take time. Don't panic if the market fluctuates. Stay invested for the long haul. Consider other investment options. Acorn is great, but it might not be the only game in town. Explore other investment avenues like index funds or retirement accounts. Is Acorn right for you? Acorn can be a fantastic tool for beginners, but it might not be the best fit for everyone. If you're looking to make quick, high-risk bets, Acorn probably isn't your cup of tea. However, if you're interested in building wealth gradually and effortlessly, it could be a great option. Conclusion. So, can you make money fast on Acorn? Technically, yes. But sustainable, long-term growth is more realistic. With patience, knowledge, and a well-thought-out strategy, you can turn those tiny acorns into a thriving financial forest. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Remember, investing is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the ride.